My name is Jones Lusa Lusa. Today's video is about the short phrase mukuse. Mukuse means in short. For example, if you ask somebody a yes or no question, they're giving you a long reply, you can say mema biso mosika te, Yebisa biso mokuse, sala album to te. Do not confuse us. Tell us in short, are you working on an album or not? The second part of this lesson is the idiom TV eza radio te. The literal translation is TV is not radio. The true meaning is we are on TV. We cannot keep on talking. We have to be showing you. A real life example is Nana Buduga, a Congolese presenter, was talking to Seguin Mignon from BCBG. Before showing some clips from a concert, she said, TV eza radio te, botala yango, Neti, bozalaki na biso. It means television is not radio. Watch this as though you are with us. And finally, Neti na film. You should know that by now. You know how things are in film. Everything is dramatized. Everything is exaggerated. Neti na film. Too good to be true. The lesson is over. Please follow me on Google+. There's a link in description. I try to be uploading a new video every day on this channel. The other channel where I upload lessons similar to like a scene is still there. It's called Lingala Institute. This one is called Jones. This channel is called Jones. It's called Jones Lusa Lusa.